Ladies and gentlemen, those that can't see me, I am the sound there. I'd just like to say thank you very much for coming along on this day, which could have been better, should we say, with the weather. It's a tremendous turnout. I hope you've all enjoyed it. It's some fantastic stores down there, and we do really appreciate, the Town Council do really appreciate all your support. But you're here for one reason and one reason only, so I'm going to hand over in 1 second to my good friend on the right. But when it comes to the countdown, I want you all to work with him. The countdown from 10 to 1, otherwise the lights will not go off.
Pocklington, gather round and take heed. The season of goodwill and joy is upon us once more. Tonight, our beautiful town sparkles with festive cheer. A time to come together, to smile, to sing, and to share the warmth of Christmas. Let us thank all those that have worked so hard to make this magical evening shine. The organisers, the volunteers, and every bright spark in our community. So now, with hearts full of hope and eyes full of wonder, let the countdown begin to light up Pocklington and welcome Christmas in style. Merry Christmas and God save the King. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bonjour.